okay, everyone? So each time you're using it, just use just a little bit. If you're like tired of your crystal coming off and you love doing a crystal placement and you're so like get tired of it keep falling off and it doesn't stay, it doesn't matter how really nice that the set you're doing, check this guys out, everyone. If you have to get one item, check this condensed glue out. You're never gonna be disappointed. You and your clients will be sit back and feel so good. The next few weeks they come back, it's still there, and you have to like ham it down to get it off. No wipe top coat on the top. To floating techniques, do not like drag it down, just floating techniques. I want to do precision glue on all of them. Here you go, simple, beautiful Fendi. Is that too busy there?
No. You can even do neon on that one.
I should do neon, should I?
Actually, no, that one work. Give it some flame.
I have some wax residues, everyone. Sorry.
That's good.
If you don't want this for your clients, you just like using just the foils only, you can just go ahead and top coat, cure for 60 seconds, and you'll be done. But if the clients want, again, if the clients would love to get the blings nails on, it's just like me, I love to have that some blings on their nails. Then you start playing the crystal placements like I was sharing with you right here. So the wrong one is a little bit longer. So either way you do is gonna look, I think it's gonna look so stunning. Again, the beads, you can do silver beads, gold beads. I go through a lot of beads. I love them. They are so, as an really good accents for the crystal placements. You will never get tired of this. Great, so if I'm happy with this, I will going to cure this for 60 seconds. I'm using all this crystal from my anniversary kits. Debbie, your nails is so gorgeous. What are you talking about? This one is one of my favorites as well. Your nails so gorgeous, Debbie. Don't. Yeah. So I'm gonna do condensed glue gels first.